Zhangjiagang Eceng Machinery Co. Limited is founded in 2007, located in Zhangjiagang City, only 120 kilometers away from Shanghai. We're a professional manufacturer of PET bottle blowing machines and plastic molds. We manufacture fully automatic PET bottle blowing machine, injection mold, growing mold, etc., suitable for 5 milliliters to 50-liter plastic bottles, water bottles, carbonated beverage bottles, oil bottles, cosmetics bottles. We can equip machine from 1 to 12 cavity, output from hundreds bottles to 20,000 bottles hour. Also provide full set of production system from preform production, bottle blowing, filling to final packaging. Our products has covered all over China and exported to more than 100 countries, including Southeast Asia, Middle East, South America, Africa, etc. We'd like to provide high-quality solution to clients with our enthusiasm and rich experience. We sincerely hope to establish business relationship with friends all over the world.